This movement break is specifically designed to build, strengthen the outer hips, the gluteus minimus and medius, and help you counter the pull of the inner thighs. So having that chair nearby and just doing some slow standing leg lifts. Now try this. Go to lift this left leg or this side, standing strong on that inside leg, and start lifting the leg from here, from the low back. First thing is to lift the hip, then lift the leg. Hip stays lifted, and just lift that leg 4 or 5 times. That's 3, there's 4, and that's 5, hold it. And then switch sides. Press down with that inside leg. First step is to lift this hip and just go 5, 4, keep the hip lifting here, 3, 2, 1, and hold, and then lower it down. Side abduction, side leg lifts to build strength in those outer hips.